There has been a cultural shift. Environmental science, I think, used to be a bit on the sidelines, and now it has really come more into the mainstream as a discipline.
For me, it's more of a mental attitude rather than what we're able to do with the energy that we have access to.
Our environmental science and studies program is unique among environmental programs in the United States because we have a very holistic approach to environmental questions and also a faith-based approach.
So I think for me, conservation has less to do with depriving yourself of a certain material aspect and more to do with deciding, shifting your mentality from, I can't have this, to I don't want this.
The education I've obtained here through the program is one that's really, broad scope. It's not just, we don't just take one side of the issue, we really broaden it out and we encourage each other to really open our horizons. And it's not just a book knowledge. Like we're out here, we're in the garden, we're learning, we've got our hands dirty, we're out, at Yellowstone learning about plate tectonics and all kinds of fun things.
Our program is field and lab based, and so every student takes a field course, and we've gone to many places, the Caribbean, the West, Texas itself.
We had a field ecology trip this past summer, and we went to Yellowstone, the Grand Tetons, the Great Salt Lake, and we really explored these diverse ecological systems.
It really made what we were learning tangible. It's one thing to learn about it in a book, but then to be out there and touch the mountain and to see the color pots it.
In our program, every student takes a theology of creation class or a class that has to do with Catholicism and the natural sciences. You don't have to be Catholic to be part of our program. In fact, we welcome students of many faiths.
In my faith, like God speaks to us through nature. So we see, like a beautiful sunset or all the colors in the palette, and like God's speaking to me through that.
Students who graduate from our program have a wide set of options. If they graduate from the Bachelor of Science program, they could go into the energy field, technical, National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, the fisheries.
For me, environmental science within the Catholic context is really summed up in one word, which is stewardship.
We emphasize the creativity, the innovation, the entrepreneurial spirit that can enliven environmental science graduates to really make a difference in the world.